Hello and welcome everyone. I'm I'm Dr. Swan and I'm very thrilled to have you guys here for today's session on revolutionizing real estate with artificial intelligence. So whether you are a developer building the next big property tech solutions, an investor looking for emerging markets, a startup founder ready to scale, or simply passionate about tech and real estate, so you guys are at the right place. So today we are here to explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping everything from homes to build, buy and sell, and how the communities operate and evolve. So let us dive into the smart future of property. So starting first with the why behind this transformation, that why AI is in real estate, and particularly in the real estate. It is important. We are here to find the opportunities for the entrepreneurs and startups, either from the tech. So they will see that throughout this session that what are the opportunities in the area, needs, and what are the requirements and how they can implement the AI developed tools in this area and how can sell that their ideas and new developments. So they will explore the pain points where they could fit their own AI tech. While in the real, people in the real estate, so they will understand that how to adopt it and how to incorporate and what data would be required for them to generate and to make their business more effective and more useful for the communities. So the real estate industry is in the midst of a digital revolution. We are talking about an AI market that is expected to grow from 2.9 billion in 2024 to over 41 billion expected in 2033. So that's an enormous leap. There is enormous potential for us to fit in ourselves in this particular area and cap here the opportunities. So now add some, for example, smart buildings and Internet of Things into the equation. In the buildings, in the houses, and you are looking at a market that's projected to approach $1 trillion by 2030. So even the traditionally slowing moving area of the property management is catching up, set to reach $38 billion by 2034 if we are working with the traditional. So even that's expanding. So if we augment the artificial intelligence, so we can make it more reasonable and more safe for the people and more integrated for the developers, real estate owners, investors, and as well as for the tech developers. So this is a huge market, and there are a lot of skills where we can integrate the new graduates and new talent in this area, especially by incorporating the evolution and revolution both of the tech in buildings and as well as the software applications and its development and integration. So this is the big area of earning money and potential for the new business and even new studies and new academics. So clearly, the real estate today is no longer just about physical space. It's about data, automation, smart systems, and delivering better, faster, more intelligent experience. So coming to the application of the AI and possible application, what I can see and can share with you. So let us take a closer look at how AI is already making an impact. So one is the predictive maintenance. So the AI algorithm can detect the equipment used in the buildings. So they can detect it early, whatever the issues are. So it can enhance the safety as well. So reducing the maintenance cost by up to 14% and preventing the breakdowns in the buildings. AI valuation tools. So these tools offer valuation accuracy rates of 95% or higher, allowing faster, more confident buying and selling decisions. The other area is the virtual staging. Properties staged using AI receive twice the management compared the unstaged listings. So this is the big area because AI is working 24/7, and even it continuously access the historic and the real-time data, so the decision is more accurate, while the human is not that for human is not possible. So and human even takes longer time. And the other one is the AI chatbot. So these provides 24/7 customer service, handling queries and converting leads, often boosting conversion rate by up to 35%. So these are not just trends, they are business accelerator. So just keep in mind. Another application area of the AI could be tenant screening. AI review credit scores and it can develop the behavior patterns of the tenants and rental history, so offering a more holistic and efficient tenant assessment, and it can enhance the security of the overall process. The other application could be the smart communities. AI automates things like access control, lighting, security, and even community event suggestions, enhancing quality of life. The other area could be natural language processing. So the natural language processing tools automatically read the extract terms from leases, frequently asked questions and emails, and saving hours of manual work. The customer relationship management automation allows intelligent reminders to personalized communication, and this way AI strengthens tenant relationship and retention. We have to know that about the integration of data and what are the challenges. So despite the upside, there are real challenges we can see by adopting AI. Like many organizations are working with the legacy systems that cannot communicate with each other. Like traditionally, the legacy system of the property is not communicating in real time with each other. So that's why the data quality inconsistency and missing and outdated and unstructured information and data is a big challenge for the data integration and adoption of the AI. The other one is the global privacy regulation like GDPR and CCPA must be respected, and that should be adding layers of complexity. And finally, AI system must be transparent and ethical, which is a big challenge, and we face that the transparency and ethical sort of side of the AI is a big question, and we cannot afford a black box algorithm making major decisions without accountability. So we make it more accountable and transparent and ethical for the AI use in property and as well as in the real estate. Talking about the market segmentation by economic tier, so globally, if we look through, so we can the implementation of AI varies from one segment to another segment, and it's the global one. For example, the first world markets like the US, Canada, Europe, and Japan are at the forefront with mature AI and smart building adoption, while the markets lower in this first world, so they will see like an adoption will be at down layer rather than the first layer. So if we talk about the second world countries like India, China, and Southeast Asia are accelerating, quickly investing in smart city infrastructure and property tech. While third world, Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Latin America show high growth potential despite limited infrastructure and digital access. So now you can find the ways that how to reach the different segmentation globally and by economic tier in between the countries, and you can fit yourself according to that. like what is the major infrastructure and digital readiness in third world countries, second world and first world. So you can pitch yourself according to their needs and their adoption and the infrastructure what they provide you by development and as well as the implementation of AI in this particular sector. So each segment offers unique challenges and opportunities for tailored AI solution. Just keep this in mind. The other one is the if you are in the business of building solutions, so this is your playground, I would say, and you can find the opportunities over the next few slides for yourself. So, for example, the launch SaaS products for virtual staging, automated valuation or tenant engagement. The second would be build APIs first tools that integrate easily with legacy platforms, develop predictive model for rent prices, utilities, and occupancy forecasting. In emerging markets, create lightweight, mobile-first solution that work on low bandwidth and meet local needs. So these are the opportunities for the developers and startups to find and fit themselves in different aspects of the real estate sector, and to see that how AI you can fit your algorithm of AI and how you can stage your data across this sector for your own development if you are a developer or a startup or even entrepreneur in this particular sector. So coming to the business model, so if you are in the business of building solutions, so this is if you are in businesses, so that will definitely the business model will impact the AI and this real estate transformation will be hugely impacted by the business model. So the because of this new business model by adoption of artificial intelligence in this real estate sector, either as a in the form of developer, tech developer, or the real estate developer, so no doubt you will create the various jobs, for example, for the AI engineers, data strategists, and system integrators. So these will be the areas where new job opportunities will be created, and very soon this sector will find, and it will be desperately looking the people who could be AI engineers or data strategists and system integrator for them, because in this is the area, the real estate, where AI is not effectively playing its role, and it needs a tailored solution from community to community, from council to council, from country to country, and then globally. So it will be a huge transformation in the real estate using AI, tailored AI, IoTs, and data generation from house to house. So definitely a lot of job opportunities, a lot of business opportunities, and a lot of wealth creation opportunities are there for you guys. And the other would be this model will particularly they will need the upskilled people. So real estate professionals are becoming data informed decision makers basically. AI drives significant cost saving, and it will reduce manual tasks, streamlining operations and increasing net operating income. And the property tech talent market itself is booming, and it will grow around, because it is 25% annually growing. So it will be, you can say that this property tech hiring will grow 25% annually. Coming to the implementation roadmap of the AI in this real sector, so one is the area of audit your existing tools and data. So here you can implement the AI. You can understand that what's usable and what's missing. So you can develop your own data and then you can utilize it. And this is the big application of AI to extract, streamline, and then restructure and fully structure data for your decisions. Choose a simple MVP, maybe a chatbot or rent forecasting engine. pilot with 1 to 2 properties and define success with clear KPIs, integrate with existing softwares like your property management or CRM systems. Most importantly, train your people and build internal AI champions. So this is the implementation roadmap where you can implement the AI through audit legacy, then by incorporating the pilots and test KPIs and integrating the AI with the CRM and PMS, and then it will automatically test the whole complete system. So across the global borders in between different countries, you can say that you make yourself more localized and you build your localized platforms uh, on the basis of local languages and compliance in that particular area. Then partner with regional smart city programs globally across the real estate groups. And also, if you are a tech developer, so just build plug and play modules so integration is painless for you. So even for the buildings, you can make the and you can offer plug and play modules to build the houses, to build the rooms, to build the buildings, huge infrastructures. So above all, ensure your AI is ethical and explainable, no biased or opaque systems. So just keep in mind this. Now coming to understand the real estate ecosystems. So now we should understand that who exactly does AI serve in real estate. One is the developers and builders who plan construction, the property managers who see leases and maintenance, agent and brokers who handle sales and client relationship, investors and REITs managing portfolios, government managing regulation, taxes, and zoning of the areas, vendors and service providers maintaining daily operations. So AI can optimize process for everyone across these stakeholders. So across the real estate ecosystems, if you go through, so these are the peoples who will definitely use the AI, which currently though they don't have. So now you are the people who think about that what AI is required and how to integrate these people and how to incorporate the data and make the data aligned with each other. So these are the, you can say, the ecosystem, and as well as the application, and as well as the people to whom you get access to incorporate their stacks across the AI development and AI adoption across the sector of real estate. So AI use in the ecosystem would be for the builders. So they will use AI for demand prediction and land selection. Definitely, the manager will automate rent pricing and flag equipment failures. The agent will use chatbots and virtual reality tours to attract the buyers. Investors will use AI for tracking the asset performance and market risk and real-time dashboards. The government would keen to simulate zoning and infrastructure development, while vendors can see AI for predicting repair schedule, optimize routes, and track service KPIs. Now, coming to the point to say that integrating AI across the ecosystem, so how you are going to bring it all together. So first you have to integrate the AI with API with major systems like Yardi, AppFolio, or Buildium. Then connect Internet of Things data from smart meters, thermostats, and access points. Use natural language program tools to streamline legal reviews and service tickets. Build real-time dashboards for internal teams or investor reports. And finally, structure your data into data lakes, enabling future analytics and forecasting. So, how beautifully you went through these different steps, and you are familiar that how you have to integrate what you need and how to deal with the stakeholders, why we are working with the AI, and why this is important in this particular sector. And this sector is especially the AI is very limited, and even the automation is very limited in this area. It needs a huge automation and huge transformation, and definitely the growth will be tremendous. Only this real estate will change the world and even the business platforms. Coming to the point that what data is required for AI application development or even for ICTs or ITs development. So one would be the transactional data that will be about the property sales, lease agreement and pricing trends. The other will be the behavioral data, which the website clicks and the people engagement with the chatbots and the tenant habits and tenants behaviors. The sensor and internet of things data, which will let you know about the building temperatures, the motion detection, energy use and the fire and safety sort of things, which will be automatically detected and stored, while the financial will be the rental income, tax reports and return on investment. The regulatory data which the government would be interested, that will be the zoning law, land use codes, compliance standards, and overall in the community and in the councils, you can then link this with the traffic as well. So it will revolutionize the complete system what currently the legacy in this sector we have. So the more clean, structured and accessible your data is, so the more valuable your AI will be and the more valuable and effective decision you will have in hand. Coming to areas of opportunity for developers, startups and AI professionals, so I can let you know that the door is wide open for you guys. So build microservices that solve niche problems like fraud detection or pricing anomalies. You have the opportunity in the area of creating plugin for widely used property management system. You can offer BI dashboards for mid-sized investors and agencies. Another area I'm going to, so many areas I'm telling you about the business. So now it's your turn to convert it into the practical sort of product and see that how it will grow. And definitely there is no competition at all, I would say. I can bet that. Develop consumer tools, chatbots, augmented reality, home viewers, intelligent forms, or launch an AI consulting business to help companies transition their workflow. As a summary and takeaway, I would say that AI is not optional. It is essential for competitive real estate. So this is the thing you keep in mind. This is come like not optional. It is now essential. The industry is moving towards 1 trillion market opportunity. Real gain are already being made in cost saving, tenant satisfaction, and operational speed. The best approach: start small, deliver quick wins, and then scale confidently. This is not just about adopting new technology, it's about building smarter real estate for everyone and for globally and for in the across the various economic conditions of the people. My final call of action is, if you find it you helpful and you find it useful for you guys, so and you want to build or pilot an AI drive solution, if you are launching an MVP or entering new markets, or if you are just curious and want to learn more, so let us connect. You can find my email, and please like, share, subscribe and partner to lead the smart property solution. So guys, thank you very much for being with me and listening this interesting topic, and a lot of new ideas I just shared with you. And definitely, I would say that it will impact, and I would be proud if you guys change and even get opportunity for the new businesses, and maybe cause of the new employment generation in across your country, across the globally and in society. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.